I'm Morikoya. You're watching Jallo 224.
So we're here with Mr. Oumar Tounkara. He's the one that managed this renovation. So Mr. Tounkara, for your client, Mr. Kwame, how did you find completing this renovation?
Yeah, as you see, it was a hard time, but you have to do it. So everything is okay now. The light is on, the paint is on, the floors. So that's it, bro.
So how do you feel about these floors? These are different floors than a lot of Guineans.
Yeah, it's very different from the others, as you see. They look so smooth and they're in PVC, quite good.
So how do you manage the expectations of your clients? Because sometimes clients, they want things a certain way, and we know Guinean workers, sometimes it's hard to get them to do things. So how do you manage being the middleman between, you know, let's say a guy from America who has certain expectations versus a Guinean here who has a different mentality?
Yeah, it's such a difficult issue because sometimes the Guineans don't understand. You know, most of these workers, you have to follow up them and, you know, try to build let's say, a program with them and push them to reach the target. And it's not easy at all because sometimes they tell you, they give you a certain program, they don't respect and they don't care about the timing.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so it's a big difference. For Americans, they care too much about timing, and you know, that's it.
So your client, when he saw this, when you finished everything, how did he like it?
Yeah, he liked it so much. I'm so happy.
Yeah,
He likes
because
it so much.
it's totally different from when he first bought it. It's like
Yeah, completely different. Completely different.
Can you show us the bathroom that you did?
Yeah. Come and see the bathroom. You see, this is the bathroom with all the stuff.
Wow.
Yeah. See.
And for the water, did you add a water pressure?
Yeah. I put a water pressure behind so that you can have enough water pressure for the bathroom. Yeah. There's the outlets.
Okay,
In case
so
if you need some stuff to plug inside.
So you added
the electrical razor, whatever.
So everything here is new, though. The tile on the floor.
Everything from the one was here.
So everything is new, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. The sink, the toilet.
Sink, everything. See. Everything.
Okay. And let's see the bedrooms. Okay.
Yeah. That's it. This is the floor. So this all the same tiles.
Yeah, you can even feel the difference
Yeah.
when you walk on it. It's like it's softer,
Stuff over here.
you know. So this client, all he has to do now is finish the kitchen, I believe.
Yeah, the kitchen.
And,
the kitchen. What's the plan of the kitchen?
Yeah, so we're in the kitchen now.
Yeah, the plan of the kitchen. This is the kitchen water system. So from here, we're gonna put the freezer here, and from here we're gonna take it to the end. It's gonna be the stove or whatever. Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. All right, so yeah, really great job. I mean, like I said,
TV set,
yeah, the TV,
Yeah.
and then you can put little decorations and ornaments.
everything. So you don't need even to pass the cable up somewhere else. All the cable's gonna be like behind the TV, so you don't feel anything extra.
Okay, good. So we're gonna check in on your next project and see how that one's going.
Yeah, let's go to the next project.